Today we're going to cover the half double crochet foundation, otherwise known as FHDC. Same idea as our single crochet or foundation single crochet. We're building your chain and your first row at the same time, but this time we're going to do a half double crochet instead of a single crochet. So again, make your slip knot. We're going to chain 2. Is we're going to yarn over first. Don't skip this. This is very important. Okay, so you're going to insert your hook into this chain furthest away from you, and you're going to pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. And that first loop you just pulled through from the foundation chain is your foundation loop. Okay, so you're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop on your hook. Okay, so you'll have it here. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Now again, yarn over, look for your V. Just here. Going to insert your hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, come through 1 loop on your hook. Then yarn over and come through all 3. Again, yarn over, look for your V. Make sure you go through the 2 loops. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 1. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And you can see it working up there now for your half double crochets. I'll work up a couple more and then we will see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so a few of the common mistakes that are made with this is people forget to do the yarn over before going through their V-stitch. You have to remember, this is a half double crochet. And feels like an extra step. Skip it and you'll end up with a single crochet instead. The second one, and this is the big one, pull the foundation chain loop up a little taller than feels comfortable. So if your first row is curving or bowing, that loop is too tight. Give it a bit more height and it'll straighten out. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. It looks trickier than it is. Once you've done the 3 or 4 stitches, the rhythm kicks in fast. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, happy crocheting.